Hey, how's it going? It's Mr. Peace here. I just got done speaking at Pulaski Road School here in East Northport, New York. And the key part of today's message focused on diversity, kindness, and leadership. But in particular, right inside their school lobby here, we had a heart in the background, which we are really trying to focus on seeing someone's heart before anything else, seeing someone like you see their own best friend. The quote on the wall says, "Love yourself. It is important to stay positive because beauty comes from the inside out." And we really tried to hammer that home, that we see everybody, no matter how they're born, how they look, if they're taller, shorter, wider, thinner, different skin color, we still see them as human beings before anything else. Like my shirt says, one race, human. And I appreciate this image here too, because there's a story of a little 4-year-old girl, and she heard of this guy talking about how love is as big as the world, but it's also within all of our hearts. And so she asked the person who said this, doesn't that mean that it's just trying to burst out? And he said that's exactly the point, that if we choose to, we can let the love push out to other people by how we treat them, with kindness, with compassion, with empathy, with understanding, as leaders respecting and appreciating diversity. Thanks for touching my heart. Never forget, you guys are all miracles. You guys touch my heart. Hope to see you again soon. Peace.